My phone just cut off the bloody thing. So if you're trying to put this bash plate on, you'd go on the sides, that long bracket. I'll get rid of that light for a second, hang on 2 secs. Okay, I'm back. So the big long bracket, you take off these two recovery points, so the one on this side and the one on that side, and you take these recovery points off, and then you use the bolts from the recovery points on the front of the bull bar, or if you've got a bumper bar, it's exactly the same, and you use the bolts for those to hold this bash plate on. Now the short one, oh, that's on an angle, I didn't even notice that, but it doesn't matter. The short brackets go onto the front. Sorry about them wires beating the road there. And the long bracket for the back goes all the way onto the back, and all you do is move, well, usually this one, this bolt here, I'll go over this side, sorry guys again, this bolt here is usually in here, so you just move this back one, and I just put a spacer in here. It was just a piece of metal just to crop this up, otherwise you've got to cut it off here. But I decided not to do that. I just thought, well, it's just as easy to put a packer in behind there and pack it up. So that's what it looks like when you put it on. So the short brackets go to the front. The long bracket sort of faces forward, goes to the back. And this is what it sort of looks like, guys, on there. If I can get down low enough for you. Sorry about my fingers and everything in the road. And that's what it looks like. So that's how you put that bash plate on, guys. Hope that helps some people out, because I know I was having problems with trying to work it out. That's the side view. As you can see, that bracket goes that way. The L goes towards the back, and then two short brackets are at the front, and then you just plate it up. But as I said, with these bolts, this one you will move from here to here, and that one you just take that one out. And these hang on 2 secs, I'll get up and show you. I hope I don't turn off the phone again like I just did before. Where are they? Now I can't find. Oh, these. You got to take these off, because you can't put that bracket in there while they're there. So get rid of those. Because if you're looking at it, you're like me, you're going to be going, yeah, how's that going to work? But that's how it works, guys. And this is what she looks like. Well, this is what mine looks like in here. See, looks quite good. There you go, guys, just a quick vid. And that's the bash plate for the front on the Toyota Landcruiser. Oh, and here's my bull bar. I'm waiting to get a new light for here. I'll do a proper video soon. Just do a quick one. Put the side steps on, the bash brush bars on as well. I thought these would be harder to do, but they weren't. This is where I got all my stuff from, PS 4X4, quite a good little Australian company. That's where my rear bar come from. Same place. Where is it? Over there. Same place. So I hope that helps you put that bash plate on the front. I'll move that out of your road, guys, you don't want to look at that. And I'll do a proper video soon of it. Okay guys, don't forget to touch my thingamajiggy. Oh, that's something else I don't know if anyone ever thought about doing. I put a camera in here on the front, so it's actually quite good. That way you can see stuff. There's my winch, as you can see why I put it in there, and it sits up in there. It's a export winch, very nice winch too. Okay guys, don't forget to touch my subscribe thingy, and don't forget to go up, thumbs up, because everyone's not giving me the thumbs up. You know, if you're enjoying what I'm doing, you know, say hi. This was hard, guys, because these are in the wrong spot. I'm going to repaint this, and then I'm going to move them to here, because at the moment the bull bar is sitting forward, because otherwise when it sits normal flat, these hit into the bonnet. But apart from that, it's good. It's just a silly spot to put them, but I got it on there. I did it. Alright guys, from John with the Cruiser. Tell me what you think of the girl now. Tell me what you think of Yoda. That's what I call her, Yoda. Alright, catch you guys. Bye.